Good morning, good afternoon, and good night, everyone. Whenever you're watching this, it's great to be here with you today to discuss a topic that affects us all, money. Okay, more specifically, how to save money every month. I'd like to welcome you all here to the Growth Magnet Network. My name is Stephanie Cole. If you can, like this video, share this video, and subscribe. So, whether your goal is to pay off debt, build an emergency fund, or save for something special, budgeting is an essential part of managing your finances. Today, I'm excited to share with you proven and strategies that you can use to help you save more money each month without needing to make any drastic changes. It's all about adopting smart budgeting practices that fit into your lifestyle and help you stay on track, okay? So let's dive into these practical and actionable tips. The first step in saving more is to understand where your money is going. Tracking your expenses is essential because you can't save what you don't see. Okay, so start by tracking every dollar you spend, from rent and utilities to that daily cup of coffee. This can be done by using budgeting apps like Mint or YNAB. You need a budget, or even just simple old school method, pen and paper. The goal here is to get a clear picture of your spending habits. So once you know where your money is going, you will be able to identify areas where you can cut back or make adjustments. The next step is to define your financial goals. So why do you want to save money? Is it to build an emergency fund, pay down debt, or save for a major purchase? By setting specific and measurable goals, you can give yourself something concrete to work towards. So use the word SMART goal method, okay? SMART. Specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time bound. For example, instead of saying, I want to save money, try something like, I want to save $1,200 in the next 6 months to build an emergency fund. Okay. When your goals are clear, they become more achievable and motivating. One of the most effective ways to budget is by following the 50-30-20 rule, which divides your income into three categories. 50% for needs. This includes essentials like rent, groceries, utilities, and insurance. 30% for wants. This includes discretionary spending such as entertainment, dining out, and subscriptions. And 20% for savings and debt repayment. This portion is dedicated to building your savings or paying off any debts you have. This method helps you prioritize the essentials while making sure you're saving for your future and keeping your lifestyle in check. While everyone's budget might look a little different, this rule is a simple method that can be adjusted as needed. Another easy way to save money consistently is to automate your savings. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to savings account every payday. You can also have a percentage of your income go directly into retirement accounts like 401k or IRA. Automatic savings ensures that you're putting money aside without even thinking about it. You'll be surprised how quickly your savings add up when you treat it like a regular expense. Now let's talk about cutting back on non-essential spending. Okay, once you have a clear picture of your expenses, you will likely find areas where you can reduce costs. Here are a few places you can start. Review your subscriptions. Do you need that gym membership? Do you even go to the gym, or maybe you work out at home? Look at your streaming services. If you no longer need them, what you'll need to do is cancel them immediately, okay? Another thing is eat at home, because takeout and dining out can add up very quickly. Try meal planning and cooking your meals at home to save more money. Now, I know that some of you are watching this and you're thinking, well, one, I don't like to cook, or I don't know how to cook, but preparing your meals at home will drastically help you save more money. Another tip is to shop smarter. Look for sales. Don't be afraid to use coupons. Buy generic brand instead of name brand products, okay? Also, don't be afraid to shop at stores you normally wouldn't shop at, such as Walmart instead of Target. You also have Dollar General, Dollar Tree. You can also find good deals in those places as well. And here's the big thing here that a lot of people struggle with: put a hold on impulsive purchases. So practice the 24-hour rule, where you wait a day before purchasing something that's non-essential. You'll often find that you really don't need it. Okay, so these small changes can have a big impact on your overall budget and savings. Saving on housing and utilities. Your two largest expenses each month are likely housing and utilities, so these are key areas to consider when trying to save money. If you're renting, consider whether you can downsize or move to a more affordable area. If you own your home, refinance your mortgage at a lower interest rate can reduce your monthly payments. Another thing is to look for ways to lower your utility bills. Simple actions like turn off the lights when you're not using them, unplugging electronics, or switching to a energy efficient appliances. This all can help you save. Now let's look at insurance. Review your car insurance, home and health insurance as well. Review these regularly. You may be able to shop around for better rates or switch to a policy that offers the same coverage for less. Okay. And another thing to look for is your taxes. Make sure you're taking full advantage of any tax deductions and credits. Working with a tax professional can help you identify opportunities to save and reduce your tax burden. Okay. Finally, it's important to remember that saving money is a long term habit, not a one time fix. So stay committed to your budget, but also be flexible. Life happens, and you may need to adjust your plan from time to time. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so I want to leave you with this. At any point during this journey, if you have any setbacks, whether it's a large unexpected expense or a missed, savings goal, please don't get discouraged. Just reevaluate your budget, make any necessary changes, and just get back on track. I wish you all the best and take care. I'll see you